forgotten forever, forever. Let's run away together. Let's run away together. Let's run away together.
Hey everyone, it's Holar Texas again. Without no further ado, first thing I want to thank everyone for your likes. I want to thank you for your comments, for everything, for the love you're showing towards this channel. I want to let you know I really appreciate everything. And this is a new video. We're going straight forward into it. But don't forget, just to encourage folks like me, just to encourage us, don't forget to hit that subscription button. Just make sure you're subscribing. You see the like button right there. Make sure you're liking those channels, because that's how we'll let YouTube know, okay, we're doing a good job. But now we stand, no hard feelings though. We're going straight right there. What I have to do today is making two things. Let me show you right here. I have this chicken right here. And this is a chicken from Walmart. I have this chicken right here. This is a chicken for Walmart. Hold on. And the next thing I have right here, it's one of those chickens I got from the Katsu's. You see right here? I got from Katsu's African market, and this is an Obasanjo chicken, which means you buy chicken, and after buying it, you like kill it on the spot. This is one of those chickens like you buy fresh from market, like a live chicken. So I'm gonna grill this. I'm gonna marinate it and do all that stuff. I'll do the same thing to the chicken I got from Walmart. Grill both and see what it takes. So guys, with no further ado, let's move straight into this. Don't forget, once again, make sure you're liking those videos. Make sure you're subscribing if you've not subscribed. And just show that love, and I'll catch you on now. So let's go to the kitchen. Let's go grill. Let's go do it. Thanks. Yeah, my ingredients. The first one I do for the most part is marinate it. I have my pepper, I have my Maggi, I have the onions, I have the chicken, a little bit of lime. And what I do first is try to blend my habanero, put in my Maggi, put in my onions, put all that good stuff into it. At times you see me right there trying to squeeze in the lime and the lemon into it, before blending. And once add a little bit of oil into it to make it wet a little bit. Then this is where I grind everything. Some folks just prefer applying it on it like it, but I prefer just blending it and adding it to the chicken. Add a little bit of oil, add a little bit of ingredients, the cinnamon, the olive leaves, just to make sure everything circulates properly. A little bit of salt is life, and everything will cook. A little bit of salt is good, not too much. Yeah. So this is where, once everything's done, I let it stay in the fridge for about 2-3 hours before moving to the grill. And this is it. I like it steaming up a little bit. That's why I put the foil paper. And after letting it steam up a little bit, I put it on the grill itself, because I like to see that mark, I like to see that heat. And this is it exactly in the pan, all looking all good. So the one on the left is the chicken, and the one on the right is the Obasanjo chicken. All looking good, all looking juicy. Oh God, it's gonna be a sin without having a cup of wine. To just go alongside with this. Yeah, you see that's that's why my chicken so juicy, easy. If you know something about the Obasanjo, you see how I'm struggling with it. It did taste really good. I'm trying to warm my chicken, and you say it went really straight. Apply a little bit of lemon to it. So you notice the Obasanjo really, really stiff. It's really hard. You see the difference, and you see right there the Walmart chicken, easy, drops down even without using the knife. It drops down immediately. This was fun, guys, and yeah, you can literally see the difference. Thank you, and don't forget, make sure you're liking that,
Make sure you're liking the videos. Make sure you're subscribing, and I really appreciate everything again. Thanks.